Causes of pollution.
Grandma, I don't enjoy swimming in this area. People have dumped so much waste here. Yes, Chiku. The life of aquatic plants and animals is difficult now due to discharge of sewage, industrial wastes, and the water containing pesticides and insecticides from the fields. They are called pollutants. Drinking polluted water causes diseases such as typhoid, diarrhea, and dysentery. Let's go out and breathe some fresh air, Grandma. Look, Grandma, so much smoke is coming out from the chimneys of factories. Even the air is polluted. True, it is coming from the factories nearby. The burning of fuels in the vehicles and burning of wood also cause air pollution. Breathing polluted air results in a number of breathing diseases like asthma and bronchitis. Human activities have made the land also polluted. Yes, land or soil gets contaminated by industrial activities, agricultural chemicals, or dumping garbage. Due to this, the growth of plants suffers. This further affects animals' life. Humans must reduce or eliminate the release of pollutants into the environment and practice reduce, reuse and recycle as far as possible to save our environment.